I was consulting with Mika, ito naman ang problema dahil originally dapat 22 ratified na ang House and Senate. Pero based on the timetable ng mga staff, baka 28 ang permahan and 29 ang ratification. Kasi yung pagbabalanse, pag-print, kasi we have to reconcile our numbers with theirs. So yan, process alone will take 5 days. So tapos may Pasko pa, diba? May Noche Buena. So mga roughly around 28 ang ratification. Babalik kami to sign and then 29 to ratify.
Please sir, parang kailangan pa i-amin din yung legislative calendar?
Yes, kailangan talaga. Both
We'll do
houses.
that on Monday for
So yung
both
transmission po to the President, kailan po?
29 ng hapon na rin. So paspasan siya talaga.
And then, ang target pa rin, sir, within 2025 yung signing? Or...
Dapat.
Pero, sapat ba yung time nun, sir, para review mo?
Ang ginagawa naman namin ngayon is synchronized na yung review ng DBM. DBM ang review. So, actually, kausap namin si Secretary Toledo. As we speak, nagmo-monitor na sila. So, meron na silang real-time numbers. Tapos kami naman, nagpapadala rin kami ng data, sila rin. So, real-time yung pagre-review rin nila.
Sir, just to add to Senwin, we just want to give the assurance that the executive has enough time to review. So, yun yung na-work out namin with DBM that as we finish the agencies, we already start sending to the DBM. So, simultaneous na po yung finalization ng enrolled bill ng GAB at yung review ng DBM. So, rest assured po that the executive is given enough time to review the GAB before the President signs it.
So, ma'am, sir, no re-enacted budget?
No, walang reenacted.
We can now confidently say, ngayon natapos na po yung BICAP. There will be no reenacted budget.
And finally, we have a budget that we can be proud of and responsive to the Filipino people. Nag-umpisa tayo medyo tense, medyo kinakabahan, pero ako ay kampante na itong budget na ito ay tunay na tutugon sa mga pangangailangan po ng ating mga kababayan. At higit sa lahat, itong budget na ito ay corruption-free, at higit sa lahat, wala nang overprice, at higit sa lahat, ito po ang budget na magiging masasabi ko standard for transparency.